What is going down, my fellow energy bundles? Today we're diving into the electric storm of ADHD. Yeah, I got it, but I want to talk about how meditation can be your safe haven. Don't roll your eyes, bro. If you are anything like me, then ADHD and stillness is like an oxymoron. What do you mean you want me to sit still? Oh, you're trying to say I don't play with things when my hands are off screen? ADHD and stillness do not mix. Here's the twist, dude. I am absolute living proof that they do. As an ex-alcoholic, an ADHD alchemy expert, and a recovery master coach, I've experienced firsthand the power of mindful practice. Our brains are supercharged. With the right guidance and a little bit of practice, we could steer our brains towards peace, tranquility, and productivity. Imagine surfing the waves of your thoughts instead of being thrown around by them. Imagine harnessing that mental tornado into a focused whirlwind of creativity and purpose. It's not just possible, dude. Way easier than you think. Through consistent meditation, you can literally rewire your brain to focus on all the things that move you forward, all the things that make you feel good, all the things that give you motivation. When you do that, you build resilience in your brain. It's like turning the volume down on the world and tuning into your inner symphony. And the best part is, I've already paved the road. All you gotta do is take the first step. So whether you're focusing on your sobriety journey or you just wanna harness the power of your mind, I've designed a website where we could harness the power of your beautiful ADHD mind together. And instead of ADHD feeling like a debilitating force against your mind, you become an unstoppable force against the world. ADHD is not a weakness, it is a superpower. And with enough practice and some training, you could harness the quantum computer that is your brain. If you could use some support, check out my resources and look for ADHD Alchemy.